how to update the driver. So right click to Windows icon, go to device manager. Okay, so one by one update. This is mic, speaker. Okay, so right click to update driver and search automatically. So basically this driver update from officially websites automatically. Now speaker. Okay, then guys, display driver, it might be show if you using graphic card, so it will be show your graphic card model number, so you can update the driver, search automatically and wait few seconds. Okay, after you completed all, then restart your system. Okay, so that is a keyboard, like I'm using PS2 keyboard. Okay, so it is same update driver and then automatic. Then again monitor, right click to update driver, search automatically. Okay, and this is network, so important. If you're using, you have some Wi-Fi, so you can same right click to update and update automatically. Close. If you're showing the Wi-Fi driver, so same select this and upgrade driver. Okay, and usual, so right click to update. So you can try one by one all. Close. And if you showing some error like that, so you can click on this scan for the hardware changes and then click it. Same right click to update driver. Could not find driver, so you have to install driver from websites. Okay, thank you. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. Update and reinstall graphic card driver. Sometimes graphic card release some issues can freeze during the interactions with the system UI element. So open device manager. So right click to Windows icon and click on device manager. Expand display adapter and right click to update driver. If updating doesn't doing, so try to uninstall. Okay, and then you can, otherwise you can click the rollback driver and then click to rollback driver. Okay, so after doing that, you open any browsers to download your graphic card model number to latest driver. Okay, and then install it. So next, run disk cleanup. So disk cleanup is useful when your system lock and space the critical cache files such as Windows Update cache file in the case corrupted or bugs for this. Okay, so click to start and type disk cleanup. Okay, and run as administrator. Okay, so open this, select download program file, temporary internet file. Okay, scroll down, find out Microsoft Defenders, this one, check, and direct sender cache, this one. Okay, and uncheck to temporary file. If you select this one, so automatically clean your recycle bin. Okay, if your data, you can uncheck it and then okay, and then now this is cleaning. Windows Update cleanup. So it will take some time. Okay, so it will complete it after you restart your system. Okay, thank you.